Have you ever wondered why someone would risk a relationship, a family, or years of trust for cheating? Welcome back to Inside Aromacee. I'm Celia Veronica Paul, CBT psychotherapist, couples counselor, and life coach. And today we're talking about why infidelity happens. And understanding why someone cheats does not mean excusing it, but sometimes understanding the why can help people make sense of what happened. Cheating can happen for many reasons. Sometimes it begins with emotional distance. The couple stops talking properly, affection reduces, and they begin to feel more like housemates than partners. Sometimes it comes from poor communication. One person may feel lonely, rejected, resentful, or unseen, but instead of talking about it, they hold it in. And at other times, it's about validation. A person may enjoy feeling wanted, noticed, or important, especially if they struggle with low self-worth. And at other times, it happens because of weak boundaries, a message, a friendship, a work connection, or social media conversation can slowly cross the line. And often, it is simply a selfish choice. Not every betrayal has a deep explanation. Some people choose to hide things, break trust, and put their own wants first. So when we ask, why do people cheat? The answer is rarely one simple thing. It can be emotional disconnection, poor communication, unmet needs, low self-esteem, opportunity, weak boundaries, or personal choice. But if you've been betrayed, please remember this. The cheating was not your fault. You may have had relationship difficulties, but the choice to cheat belongs to the person who made the choice. In the next episode, we will look at how infidelity affects you long after it happens. And in episode 6, we'll talk about rebuilding trust and what couples need if they choose to repair the relationship. If this helped, please like, subscribe, and share. And for more personalized support, I offer one-to-one coaching and couple sessions for Inside Aromacee. Link in the description. Until next time.